Nvidia control panel best settings for gaming. Hey gamers, today I show you the best Nvidia control panel settings to boost your gaming performance and visuals. Let's get into it. First, open the Nvidia control panel under Manage 3D Settings, go to Global Settings for overall performance tweaks. Start by setting Power Management mode to prefer maximum performance for more power to your GPU during gaming. Next, scroll down to Low Latency mode and set it to On or Ultra to reduce input lag, especially useful for fast-paced games. Then, set Texture Filtering Quality to High Performance for better frame rates. Now, move to Vertical Sync and turn it off to avoid unnecessary input lag, unless you're experiencing screen tearing, in which case, enable it in-game instead. So finally, anisotropic filtering and anti-aliasing, leave them application controlled so individual games handle these settings to optimize performance according to the game needs. These tweaks should give you a smoother gaming experience, so if this was helpful, like and subscribe for more tips, and happy gaming.